So abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade and spread to other parts of the body is what we call cancer. Cancer is just not one disease. There are about 100 types of cancers. Today, let's talk about cancer. So the cancer can start in your brain, the lungs, the breast, the colon, and even the blood. So all the cancers are alike in some way, but they are different in many ways. So let's talk about how cancers are alike. We define cancer as an abnormal cell grows in an uncontrolled way. That's what all cancers do. Now, let's talk about how cancers are different. Some cancers grow fast and spread fast, but some grow slowly and spread slowly. They even respond to the treatments differently. Some require chemotherapy, some require surgeries, and some require both surgery and chemotherapy. Sometimes a change happens in the genes when the cell divides. This is called a mutation. It means that genes have been damaged or lost or copied twice. Mutation can happen by chance when the cell is dividing. Some mutation means the cell is no longer understanding its instructions and starts to grow out of control. These genes that cause this may become the cancer-causing genes, also called the oncogenes, allowing the cells to grow and survive when they shouldn't. Tumor suppressor genes are also involved in controlling the cell growth and division. DNA repair genes are also involved in the fixing of damaged DNA. When these all fail, the cell may become a cancer. I love how intelligent the cancer cells are. So as the tumor grows bigger and bigger, it gets further away from the blood vessels. These blood vessels provide it with oxygen and nutrients. So to keep the tumor healthy, the cells require oxygen and nutrients. So it sends out a signal called angiogenic factor. This encourages new blood vessels to grow into the tumor. This process is called angiogenesis. This helps the tumor to grow further, providing it with oxygen and all the nutrients required. Genetic changes that can cause cancer can be inherited by our parents. They can also be caused during a person's lifetime because of the environmental exposure he or she is in. Environmental exposures include chemicals such as tobacco. They can also arise due to radiation, such as the sun's radiation, that is, the ultraviolet rays from the sun. When a cancer spreads, it's called metastasis. When a lung cancer spreads to the bone, when the doctor checks the cancer in the bone, it still looks like the lung cancer itself. Unless and until the cancer arises in the bone itself, it's not called a bone cancer. It's still a lung cancer. About 30% of the cancer can be prevented if we stop the use of products that contain tobacco in it, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and moderating the consumption of alcohol. I recommend you guys to check out Veritasium's video, How Long Will You Live, and Vsauce's video on cancer. You can click the thumbnail in the video or find the links in the description. The animations that you saw is by Cancer Research UK. You can check out their website. I'll put the link in the description. Subscribe to my channel for all the future videos I upload every Thursday.